Hey guys, today I'm showing you the CAT 262D 2-speed. This one has the vertical lift on it, as you can tell right there. And the snow pusher. This one's ready to push some snow. Has the hydraulics there and electrical for attachments for it. Show you a little bit of the inside. The lights are nice and protected. It has a little pocket for it. I would open it up for you guys, but this is not my machine, so I can't do that. Don't really feel like going to jail today. Just thought I'd show you what I can of it. Grease certs are nice and convenient right there on the outside. The safety, and the boom goes up in the air. You take that and put it on the cylinder here. This goes up and you put it in there, so you don't get squashed when you're servicing the machine. Okay guys, see you later.